Welcome to my channel, and in today's video I am going to be doing a henna treatment on my hair. I'm going to be putting 2 tablespoons of this henna powder. We're adding 2 tablespoons of this. This is hibiscus and neem, and I'm adding 2 tablespoons because it is hibiscus and neem. Lastly, I'm going to be adding fenugreek because this is going to serve as an emulsifier and a conditioner as well. This thing is a problem. And that's it. I'm now going to proceed to adding the. I'm going to mix it. Very gently. And I'm going to mix this till it gets a yogurt-like consistency. And once I'm done stirring, I am going to cover it and let it sit overnight. I'm going to add some more black tea because it's a bit thick.
Stir, stir, stir.
Am I stirring aesthetically? Yogurt-like consistency. Make sure you stir it properly. Now it has been properly mixed. It looks like chocolate right now, but it has the consistency of yogurt. What I'm going to do is to seal it up tight, then again let it sit overnight to allow the dye process and develop. Then tomorrow I am going to apply it to my hair. I have already washed my hair, and I am going to be detangling my hair with aloe vera as well, so that this process can be smoother. Anyone that knows anything about henna treatment, you already know that it is very drying. So whenever I do it, I tend to detangle my hair first with something that is very conditioning. I already have fenugreek in the hair mask to help more with the conditioning effect, but aloe vera is just going to take it to another level. It's going to soften, strengthen, and also detangle my hair as well. I'm going to go in first with some water to stay down because it has been a while since I washed my hair and it is already dry. I'm going to rehydrate it with some water first. It is very important that I wash my hair before this treatment because I cannot use shampoo on my hair after a henna treatment for 48 hours to avoid affecting the development of the dye. Just going to massage that water in. This is how I extract my own aloe vera gel after washing and drying it. I squeeze it out like this because I don't have time to be cutting, scraping and blending. I don't even have a blender. So take out the gel, apply it onto my hair like a conditioner, which it is. Then go in with the detangling brush, then detangle from ends to roots, just like that. This is what I'm going to be doing for the entirety of my hair. So the first section has been fully detangled with the aloe vera gel. We are now going to go in with the henna mask that I let sit overnight. I'm just going to take some and apply it directly to my hair, paying very close attention to the roots because that's where the new growth is in. And
my aims or my reasons for using this hair treatment is to strengthen and fortify my hair strands, to help with split ends, and also for color vibrancy, because the natural color of my hair is very dark brown, but this treatment helps it to be very black, which is why I am paying very close attention to my roots, just like that. Again, I am wearing a dark top to do this because the stains that this stain leaves on the hair, on the fingers, on anything it comes across is permanent, hence the dark top. This section has been fully applied, fully coated, and this is how it looks. Now I am going to log out and do the rest of the hair with a few check-ins here and there. I just want to say that when doing this treatment, it is very important that you detangle your hair before applying this, because this hair treatment has no slip whatsoever. So detangle your hair prior so that you don't go and coat your tangles with like something that might make it worse, and that will lead to hair damage. So detangle your hair first before applying the treatment. This half of my hair is already done and I feel soiled. I look soiled. I want to round this up quickly, then go and shower and wash this out with conditioner. I'll be back when this other half will be complete, and I might complete it on TikTok live. If you're not following me on TikTok, check the bio out, enter my Linktree, follow me on all my socials, and I'll be back. I'm done with the application of the hair treatment. I'm going to show you what it looks like from the back. This is how it looks from the back, and I'll be back when I wash it out with conditioner to show you the final result. I have washed out the henna hair treatment and I did condition my hair as well with Mazuri hair mayonnaise. My hair feels very soft. This is what it looks like from the front. Very soft, very hydrated, very moisturized. This is the back view. As you can see, the color of my hair is extremely dark. If I was to go out under the sun, you would see red highlights in the hair, and that is something I appreciate. Color is very vibrant, very healthy, very shiny, and very thick. That's it for this video. If you liked, consider liking and subscribing if you want to see more content from me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.